Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to create a multi-line slider in your ClickFunnels website. Here you can type this one, Common Ninja, then you can open this website. After that, here you can check their packages, then click here Start Creating. Now here you can see I'm logged in and I have created one widget. So here you can see this one is the different packages, just you can upgrade from here, then click on create widget. Here you can search for different widgets, just you can type slider, then these are all the widgets related to the slider: card slider, feed slider, before and after slider. Scroll down, here you can find out this one, multi-row image slider. Click here. Now here you can see these are the default images. So these are the three different rows. Just you can expand any of the row from here, then you can expand the item, then you can easily upload the image from your laptop. But before adding new image, just click on save changes. Okay, after that click here, then give a project name, then click here save changes. Now let me go here and upload one of the image from my laptop. So let me select this one. After that click on the image, then use media. So that image is added in the first row. Here you can see this one. After that you can easily do that for all the images, then you can expand the rows. So you can scroll down, then again you can expand the second row, then for the third row. So after that, how you can change the image aspect ratios. Here you can scroll down, and after that here you can see different aspect ratios. This one. So after that you can also enable the custom aspect ratio. So this one is for the square size. After that, the final step is just you need to go here, click on publish button, then you can copy this one, embed code. After that you can open ClickFunnels. Let me open ClickFunnels, then click here funnels. So let me click here this one, then edit this page. Now scroll down. So for example, I want to add this slider here. Let me remove this one and then click add a button to add the new row. After that, add the new element, search for HTML, this one, then click on settings, open code editor, then add the code here. After that click here save button, then click preview, scroll down, here you can see multi-line slider is added, multi-row slider is added. So that looks fine.